We're back at this location in North Jersey to check to see if the water has receded back to its original location. We were happy to see that it did. Although the beavers have been safely removed from the area, there will always be more, and they will continue to dam up the pond and turn it into a swampland. To rectify this, we're installing a new device called a beaver deceiver. A beaver deceiver is installed into the pond to deceive the beavers. The beavers will continue to build and repair their dam, but the water will continue to flow. The cage that we're using is actually made out of cattle fence, and we're placing it here above the dam to keep any debris out of the pipe to allow the water to flow. The pipe that we're using is 18-inch corrugated plastic piping, and it extends below the dam and flows freely. When a beaver tends to their dam, they check on the high side and not on the low side. They want to be above the dam, not below it. So by installing the beaver deceiver, this allows the beaver to reclaim their habitat and allows the water to continually flow and not clog any of the culvert pipes or any of the streams. And also, the water won't flow into the highways or onto anyone's property. It's a win-win for both the beavers and the township.